Hi Pita Chips, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a Hush haul because I received tons of palettes from Hush. So I wanted to show you guys all the palettes that I got, but I thought it'd be kind of fun if I bring you guys along with me. Today I'm going to be running a lot of errands, and a lot of my errands are makeup related. So it's like, I think my Pita Chips are going to love if I take them along with me today. And you guys really love when I take you guys like shopping. And I say shopping because I'm outside of Sephora. My boyfriend actually gave me an early birthday present. If you guys don't know, my birthday is on April 14 and I'm going to be turning 21. I'm so excited for that. And he gave me an early birthday present, and he gave me a gift card for Sephora, and he could have not given to me in the most perfect timing because I am out of powder, foundation, and other necessities that I really need. So I was like, I think it'll be super fun if I bring you guys along with me, and if there's anything new I will obviously show you, or if there's anything that I fall in love with I will for sure show you guys. But before we go into Sephora, I wanted to show you guys something that I am extremely happy to show you guys. When I received this in the mail not too long ago, I was very shocked because in the box it said YouTube, and I kind of thought it was the item that I'm about to show you guys, but I was like, no, it's way too soon, because when I redeemed it, it said it was going to take up to 4 to 6 weeks, and this literally got here like within a week that I redeemed it, and I was like, okay, this is like way too fast. There's like no way. But as soon as I opened it, it looked like this. It says YouTube here, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know what it's going to be. So once I open it up, it comes with this letter here that they basically sent to everyone, but I think it's still super cool. I'm gonna save it. Oh my god, I have to take it out of the bag because like it's so gorgeous. It's my YouTube plug. It is so dope. It feels so surreal to see my name printed here, like Makeupbypita. Like, what? Are you serious? Like, it's just, it felt so surreal. I told Jason, I was like, oh my god, like, sometimes like when I see this I feel like a YouTuber, but then I'm like, I'm just a regular girl, just like so lucky to have all of you guys, you know, extremely blessed. This is because of you. Like, this is our play button. Like, it's ours because you guys made this happen. And if I'm showing you guys my play button, it's not to show off, but it's to tell you guys that dreams do come true, and that I am extremely blessed and just fortunate to have every single one of you guys here. My biggest dream is to meet every single one of my Pita Chips, do like a hangout and meet every single one of you guys one day. That is literally like my dream, like my dream come true. Like, if that happens, like I can like die peacefully, because that's like my dream. And this is literally our play button because you guys made this happen. Everything that happens in my life is because of you, and I know you guys probably hear everyone saying that, but honestly, if I get PR, if I get invited somewhere, like if anything happens in my life, it's because of you. And I want to thank you because you guys support me in everything I do. And you know, I'm just extremely blessed. Just like, I have no words to thank you. Like, if I could give you a hug right now, I would give you a really lovable hug, like a big hug, because I love you that much. So I just wanted to show you guys this because it's so like surreal and I love it so much. So yeah, if you guys have me on Snapchat or Instagram, you guys probably already saw that I posted it, but if you don't, make sure to go follow me, duh. And I just thought I'll show you guys if you guys did not have me on those social medias. So now that I show you guys that, and I got it off my chest because I really want to show you guys, I was so excited. Now we're gonna go into Sephora. Okay, Sephora is right there. I actually came to a different location, so we'll see how this Sephora is. Like, my shirt is super cute, but if you guys would see like literally my outfit, I'm wearing like gym shorts with my NMDs. It's like, I just gotta look cute from like my waist up. The rest doesn't really matter. So, alright guys, so they didn't let me record in there, but I'll show you guys the goodies that I got. And oh my god, I have to show you guys these swatches right now. Look how gorgeous they are. They're from the Stila eye creams, I believe. They're so gorgeous. Alright, so I'll show you guys really quickly what I got. Inside of the Sephora, they didn't let me record like I had expected. As soon as they saw me taking out my camera, she was like, you can't record in here. So it's a bummer, but I got you guys an Ulta because I'm gonna go to Ulta because I have another errand to run there. So I'm gonna show you guys the goodies that I got. So supposedly they gave me this because at Sephora they do mini makeovers, mini facials, custom makeover, and beauty classes. And she was like, we're just trying to spread out the word that we actually do all this stuff. And I was like, okay, cool. So she gave me that, and then oh, it was time for my birthday gift. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But I got the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. This foundation I used to use it like Like, it used to be my holy grail. Like, I use it all the time. For some reason, I stopped using it. I don't remember why. But I went back and I got it. And I got it in the shade Tan Honey. I used to be medium Tan Honey. But medium Tan Honey seemed way too light for me now. So I got just Tan Honey. And I was going to buy the Laura Mercier. I think it's her new one. But it wasn't full coverage. It was medium to full. And I wanted just full coverage. So I got this one. This one right here was, let's see, $39. And then I got my powder, which my powder is super expensive. But if you can afford it, one powder, let it be this powder right here. It is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Is that how you say it, Laura Mercier? Because you guys always come in the comment section. Like, I think that's how you say it, Laura Mercier. So, I don't know. Let me know. So this powder is $38. It's almost like just $1 less than my foundation, which is crazy. But this powder is like amazing. Like right now I'm using the, which one did I tell you guys? I think it's the L'Oreal True Matte, something like that. And look how ugly this looks. Like, that's hideous. It's hideous and I hate it. But I had no other powder and I had run out of this one, so I had to sacrifice my makeup. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, like I told you guys. It is a huge bottle. Now you can pay $23 for the mini size or $38 for the big one. Just go for the $38, honestly. It's so worth it. This powder right here does not make me crease. It keeps my makeup matte almost all day long, and it's just amazing. And then I'll show you guys what the Tarte foundation looks like. It looks like this. Super cute. So I got that, and then it was time for my birthday one. So I got this one, and I got the Bite Beauty Insider by Sephora, and it says, pucker up, it's your birthday. Ooh, can you guys believe that I'm gonna be 21 in just 12 days? In 12 days I'm gonna be 21. Oh my god. So it comes with this Bite Agave Lip Balm. Ooh, that's fancy. So I got this one, and then I got this Bite Lippy. It's in this shade right here, as you guys can see. Super pretty and natural. Again, up my alley. I love this kind of stuff. It was either this or the Glam Glow, but I'm not so much into like facials and stuff. I'm more into like makeup. And then I got this one, which is Chai. Oh my god, this is super cute and adorable. Look at that shade right there. It's in Chai. Oh my god, I am so loving my little early birthday gift. So I got 2 gifts today. Isn't that exciting? My gift card and then this. So that's all I got, and I wanted to show you guys. And now we're gonna go to Ulta because I have to go check out something if they have a certain specific stuff, because I want to film a video in there. So I'll let you guys know later on this week, but for now we're gonna go to Ulta, and I know you guys are gonna love that. And there I will show you guys all the new goodies that they have. Bam! And just like that, we're now at Ulta. So hopefully they have what I'm looking for, so I can come film the video sometime next week. So stay tuned for that, but let's see what they have at Ulta that's new. Okay, these were the shimmers I was talking about, the Stila ones. Look, this one is so pretty. This one is called La Dose, and they're these, the new shimmers. These are $24, and these are super pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. They're to die for, and they have like all these different shades, and then they have the limited edition, spring edition. They're to die for. Super pretty. Oh my god, I forgot about the 21-day sale of beauty. I missed out on all of that. Oh my god, look at this palette, $42. So pretty. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. It's this one right here, guys, the Creator Face Palette. It's so pretty. Okay, I am out of Ulta and I am so happy. This literally was the last Brighten Up Banana Powder from Essence. The last one. So I called it Destiny, so I was like, this is like meant to be. So I took it and I'm so excited to try it. So I'm gonna put that in my little Sephora bag, and it was only $5. Oh my god, since we're talking about Sephora, I literally forgot to tell you guys. I like have to tell you guys because I really want 3 of my pita chips to win 3 Sephora gift cards. So I'm giving away 3 Sephora gift cards. So if you guys are interested in winning a Sephora gift card, I'm giving away 3 of these. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave the video linked down below so you guys can go check it out. But basically, all you have to do is show me love on my Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Just make me want to notice you, and you can be one of the 3 lucky winners. That's basically all you have to do. But like I said, I'll leave the video linked down below so you guys can go ahead and go check it out. But I just remember I was like, oh my god, I have to tell my pita chips about the Sephora giveaway. I totally forgot they had the 21-day sale. And let me tell you that last week they did the Anastasia Brow Wiz for only $10 when it's originally $21. I'm kind of pissed if you ask me. Oh my god, how did I miss on that great deal. Like, how? Oh my god. But anyways, like I showed you guys, on April the 7th, they're having the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and the MAC's Fix Mist and Plus, whatever, the little MAC spray. They're having it for $11, and basically the mascara is gonna be $10. So it'll be $21 for both of them, when originally the mascara by itself is $23. So if you ask me, that's a pretty damn good deal. So I'm gonna come on Saturday and snatch those 2 items. I'm gonna be the very first one in the door because I already know it gets hectic when the 21-day sale is going on. So guys, go on April 7th to your Ulta and get the mascara and the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. I think it's that one. I don't know, but I've tried before and I really love it. I'm gonna get those 2 items. So if you guys get a chance and you have money to splurge yourself, make sure to go get those 2 items because I highly recommend them. So I'm gonna do that on Saturday first thing in the morning. Come here. So I'm extremely blessed to have gotten all of these palettes from Hush, and I'm literally going to show you guys everything. I think I got a total of almost 15 palettes. That's a lot for myself, so I'm gonna be doing a little giveaway, so stay tuned for the video. I'll tell you guys randomly when I'm gonna do the giveaway. So we're gonna start with the palettes, just see what I got. Super excited. Okay, so I got Rainforest by Face Candy. The packaging looks like this, super pretty. I'm loving the theme that they have going on. It's an 8-color eyeshadow collection, and once you open it up, ta-da, those are the colors right there. Super pretty. I love them. I would swatch the palettes, but I'm not going to use every single palette if we're being realistic. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch them because I want to give a couple of them away to you guys. The next product is called Tropics. It's by also Face Candy. I think they both have like the same little vibe going on, tropical and stuff. So this one comes with 8-color eyeshadow as well. And ooh, this one's like all pink. So the one was like blues and purples. This one's like red pink. This one is like more up my alley. I love this one so much. I had received this box a long time ago, but I wanted to unbox them with you guys and see what was inside the palettes and all that stuff. So this is my first time seeing all of them as well with you guys. This is the Mermaid Glow Highlight Collection by Face Candy as well. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's like holographic, super pretty. This one is definitely a dupe for the Anastasia Glow Kit palette, definitely. This one is in Supernova Bad Habit. Ooh, that's so gorgeous. Wow. Okay, this one is Bad Habit Solstice. Ooh, this one is also like the same packaging, but this one is like orange. Look at that. I'm not gonna like tilt it all the way down because these 2 right here are like about to fall off. But look how gorgeous that is. Look, the next one is Amazonia, and it's by Face Candy. Wow. Super pretty. That's gorgeous. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm loving like the little reds that it has going on. Super pretty. This one again is Amazonia by Face Candy. We're gonna go with Bad Habit Dream State. This one is $14. It's 15 Shade Pressed Glitter Collection. That is to die for. That's gorgeous. This is so gorgeous for $14. This one is Artistry by Bad Habit. This one is $12. Ooh, look at that dope packaging. Oh, I'm living for that. That's super cool. This one is like super like natural colors, like all browns, very natural colors. I like that. I like this little palette right here. This one is Sahara. Okay, this one is the one that went with Amazonian. This one comes in the bundle. So you get Sahara and Amazonian for $20. Let's get this open right now. This one comes with 14 eyeshadows. This one is gorgeous. Okay, let me tell you guys something. Sahara and Amazonian go really good together because Amazonian was more like blues and purples, and Sahara is definitely more like, you know, browns, yellows, shimmers, and browns. Like it's stunning. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. So this one's the Vice 9-color eyeshadow collection by Face Candy. This definitely looks like the Kylie palettes, but look at those purples. Super gorgeous. The next one is Milkshake Matte Eyeshadow Collection by Face Candy. Ooh, this is like a dupe for like the ColourPop palette that came out, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember the name of it, but look at that. This one is Wild, and this one, Wild, is actually $16. Look. Damn. And then the last package that we have, yay, we're done. It's this one right here. It's called After Hours, and this one comes in the bundle of 4 palettes for $30. This one kind of looks like a dupe for like the Huda palettes, the new ones she came out with, like the tiny ones. That's gorgeous. I love these colors Super pretty. And then we have Aftershock. Definitely a dupe for the Huda one because she also has a palette that has like all vibrant colors. Oh my god. This right here is screaming 70s to me. Super pretty. And then last but not least, I have After Hours Dark, which the packaging looks like it's gonna be like browns, reds. You guys know the colors that I love. Let's see. This one right here. Yeah. Oh my god. That is to die for. Are you kidding me? That's to die for. Super, super gorgeous. Love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. As you guys can probably tell, this is way too much makeup for me just by myself. There's no way I can probably get to all these palettes even if I tried. So you guys know that I love giving back to you guys because you guys are the best and you guys deserve it. And if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have any of this. So I want to give back to you guys. So all you have to do to win a palette is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below the name of your favorite palette, and I will be choosing one winner on Monday. So I'll be announcing it on Monday's video, so stay tuned for that. Also, the Sephora winner will be announced on a Saturday on the Target Beginner's Makeup Kit. Just wanted to clarify that. So if you did enter the Sephora gift card giveaway, stay tuned for Saturday's video. I will be uploading it on Saturday on the Target Beginner's Makeup Kit video. Yeah, so if you guys want to win one of these palettes, all you have to do again is like this video, subscribe down below to my channel, and then comment down below the name of your favorite palette, and I'll be announcing the winner on Monday. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's always so much fun bringing you guys along with me, and I know you guys love it as well. So thank you guys so much for everything, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.
Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.